Divisibility rules help us to find this without performing actual division. My friends are going to play a role of divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10.
Divisibility rule of 2. Digits and ones place should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For example, 1580 ones place digit is 0. 1580 is divisible by 2.
Divisibility rule of 3. Sum of the digits of a number should be divisible by 3. For example, 2013. Sum of the digits 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So, 2013 is divisible by 3. Divisibility rule of 4. The last 4 digits of the number should be 0 by 4. For example, 4692. Last 2 digits of the number 92. 92 is divisible by 4. So, 4692 is divisible by 4.
Divisibility rule of 5. Ones place digit should be 0 or 5. For example, 610 and 725. These numbers are ends with 0 and 5. So 610 and 725 are divisible by 5.
Divisibility rule of 6. Numbers should be divisible by both 2 and 3. For example, 594. 594 is divisible by both 2 and 3. Therefore, 594 is divisible by 6. Divisibility rule of 9. Sum of the digits of the number should be divisible by 9. For example, 4572. Sum of the digit is equals to 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2 is equals to 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So, 4572 is divisible by 9.
Divisibility rule of 10. Ones place digit should be 0. For example, 310 ones place digit is 0. So 310